Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about the kinds of partners and the kinds of partnership concerns. Under kinds of partners, the first kind of partner I'm going to talk about is active partners or managing partners. The active partners refers to those partners who take part in the actual day-to-day working of the business. So such partners not only contribute their capital to the partnership firm but also take part in the day-to-day affairs of the firm. Therefore, the active partners are also called as working partners. And basically, active partner is any partner who is authorized to manage the concern by the other partners. And the active partner represents all the other partners before the general public. And basically, to a great extent, since the active partner takes part in the affairs of the concern, the success of any firm depends upon the honesty, that is, the integrity and sincerity with which the active partners act. Next kind of partner which I'm going to talk about is sleeping or dormant partners. Now, a sleeping partner refers to those partners who have contributed capital to the partnership firm but do not take active part in the affairs of the concerns. Therefore, they are also called as dormant partners. But however, such partners are liable for all the acts of the firm during their association with the partnership concerns. Next kind of partner I'm going to talk about is nominal partners. No. Basically, when we are initially starting up a partnership firm, and if it's if it's people totally new partners who do not have much reputation in the business arena, if they are starting up a partnership firm, then outsiders may not be in a position or willing to basically lend loans to such partners. So to increase the credit worthiness of the firm, to improve the reputation and goodwill of the firm, it is necessary to associate the partnership firm with another a person who has high reputation in the business arena. So nominal partners refers to those partners who have high credit worthiness and high reputation in the business arena, and basically these partners are asked to associate themselves with the partnership firm, and in return for their association with the partnership firm, the nominal partners will get a share in the profits of the company. So basically, a person who agrees to lend their name in order to give a better, a better goodwill for a newly started business, such partners are called as nominal partners. And in case if any third party has lent any loan on the basis of the association of the nominal partner with the partnership firm, then in such case the partner is also liable for the outsiders. The next kind of partner is partner by estoppels. If any person who is not actually a partner or in a partnership firm, but they try to portray themselves as one of the partners of the partnership firm, then such people are called as partner by estoppels. So partner by estoppel refers to those partners who are not actually the partners in a partnership firm, but who portray themselves as one of the partners either by their words or by their actions. And even case of such partner by estoppels, such people are also liable to the liabilities of the firm, but however they are not liable to any of the benefits or any of the profits of the firm. And in case any third party or any outsider has granted any loan or incurred any loss due to the association of partner by estoppels, then such partner by estoppel has to indemnify the person who suffered the loss due to his association with the partnership firm. Next, we have this partner in profits only. Now, a person may become a partner for sharing the profits only in the case of a partnership concern. So, such partners contribute capital and is also liable to third parties like the other partners. However, such partners do not take part in the active management or the affairs of the concern. And generally, partner of profits refers to those partners who are associated with the partnership concern, generally because these partners generate goodwill for the partnership firm. The next kind of partner is secret partner. Now, secret partner refers to those partners whose association with the partnership firm is kept secret from the outsiders. And however, the liability of such secret partners is unlimited, which means that they are liable for all the debts of the company, of all the debts of the partnership firm, and such secret partners are also liable for the losses on the business. And however, such secret partners can take active part in the affairs or the working of the partnership firm. Next we have is sub-partners. Now supposing in a partnership firm there are three partners. Mr. A's share is 25%, Mr. B's share is 25% and Mr. C's share is 50%. So these are the three partners A, B and C. Now if Mr. C sells a portion of his share in the partnership firm to another outsider, like take the example, Mr. C has sold it to Mr. D. Out of the 50% of share in the partnership firm which Mr. C owns, if Mr. C gives away 10% of the share to Mr. D, then Mr. D is called as a sub-partner. So basically, when a partner associates anybody else in his share in the partnership firm, then such partner is called as a sub-partner. Like in the illustration which I gave, Mr. C sold 10% of his share to Mr. D. So Mr. D will be called as the sub-partner. And the relationship exists in the case of a sub-partner only between the sub-partner and the firm. And however, the sub-partner is not an entity of the firm and therefore is not liable for the debts of the firm. Lastly, we have minor as a partner. A minor refers to a person who has not yet attained the age of 18 years, that is the age of maturity. So therefore, such minors are not eligible to enter into contracts as per the Indian Contract Act because of their capacity of being a minor. However, a minor may be admitted to the benefits of a partnership firm. That is, a minor can become a partner in a partnership firm with the consent of the other partners. But however, a minor will not be liable for any of the liabilities of the firm. So such partners are called as minor as a partner. Moving on to the kinds of partnership concerns. Now, basically, there are two types of partnership concerns. They are general partnership and limited partnership. Now, if general partnerships refers to those partnership concerns where each partner is totally liable for all the debts of the partnership concerns. Whereas on the other hand, limited partnership refers to those partnerships where each partner's liability is limited only to the extent of their investment in the company. Further, in the case of general partnership, if the business suffers any losses, then the partners are jointly liable for all the losses and debts of the partnership concern. And however, each partner can also take part in the daily management of the partnership concerns, and all the partners are called as general partners. Now, generally, general partnerships are formed when there are several partners who are ready to give their time and expertise to manage the affairs of the partnership concerns. On the other hand, limited partnership refers to those partnerships where the liability of the partners is limited only to the investment which is made by them. And in case the business becomes liable for some debts, in that case, the personal assets of the partners are not at risk, and limited partners do not have any right in the management of the affairs of the concern. So these are the different two types of partnership concerns, general partnerships and limited partnerships. And basically the difference between these two partnerships arises on account of liability of the partners. If all the partners of the partnership concern, like let's take the example, there are three partners in a partnership concern, Mr. A, Mr. B and Mr. C. If Mr. A, B and C are jointly liable for all the debts and affairs of the partnership concern, then it is called as general partnership. Whereas on the other hand, supposing Mr. A and B are liable for all the debts of the concern and Mr. C's liability is limited only to rupees 20 lakhs or so, then in that case such partnerships is called as a limited partnership. And in the event of a loss, Mr. C will be called on to pay a loss or debt only of up to rupees 20 lakhs, which is his investment, whereas Mr. A and B should pay up the remaining debts and liabilities of the partnership concerns. These are the two types of partnership concerns.